Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Just to show you on what I am doing regularly for most of my patients, start first with the cervicothoracic junction. All the way out, exhale. Very good. Exhale. Very good, very good. Oh, great. So for the next will be on the thoracic area. Take a deep breath, mom. All the way in, all the way out. Very good, very good, very good. That's it. Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Okay, that's it. All the way out, exhale. Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Okay, good. Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Okay, good. Way out, exhale. Take a deep breath. All the way out, exhale. Deep breath. Way out, exhale. Okay. Okay. Out, exhale. Exhale. Very good, very good. Good. Okay. What else?